Well, for the past couple days, we were getting a lot of rain. So I was out doing some other stuff and I had a little bit of time. So I'm gonna run out here and check the RV real quick, see if we've had any leaks back around the bed. We got a couple inches, 3 or 4 inches of rain in a day or two, and then some good wind. So I wanted to see if any leaks come in around the slide back there. So we'll hop on in here. All the power's off. So let me see if I can climb up here without falling off. And we'll head on down here and see what we got leak-wise. Let me get some light here. There we go. Got the light on the GoPro, so let me climb over the bed here and see what we got. I'll spare you from that fun. The adventure of climbing over the bed's complete. Let's see what we got down here on the floor here. Oh, it's damp. Okay. We took some water in. It's damp down here. Yeah. Okay. So we definitely got a seal leaking. Let's see if I can see. It's all wet through here. Let's see if I can. Looks like we got some water right here. Does that look wet? Alright, so we did take some water. Can't tell if that was wet or if it was shiny. It's just shiny. Alright, so we did get some water in again. Not sure where it came in at. But we got a little bit. It doesn't feel like as much as the last time. I can't see any dripping, right? Almost looks like I can't tell. Is anything wet around that seal there? Definitely took some water again. I'm just not sure where it's coming in at. So, but we had a lot of rain and some really strong winds. Alright, I'm just definitely wet. I'm getting wet laying here on the floor. So we definitely took some water. Just not sure where it almost looks like it's dripping there. I don't know if it's run in. I got condensation going here. There. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of condensation going here. Oh. Can't tell if there's anything dripping for sure. We definitely took some water again. It's been enough. It was like yesterday when it stopped raining, so it's had enough time to at least this area to dry. All right, let me get up here. Yeah, see, I definitely got wet laying on the floor, so we definitely took some water again. Just not sure where it's coming in around. It's coming in around the slide when it's closed. I know that for sure. I just can't see any here. It's been a couple days now, so I don't know if if I can. Any puddles up there or not? Up there. I don't know if it's coming in the top and then dripping down the sides, or where. Go around the other side. Okay. Right back. I'm gonna go to the other side. Alright, I got the slides in, so I'm just gonna be counting on my video here. Can't really see too much what's going on down around here. I don't see a whole lot anything from here. I'm gonna have to check the video later. Let's see what the top looks like. I'll have to review. Let's see how damp the floor is back here in this area. This side doesn't seem to be too damp. It's a little bit, but not like on the other side. I definitely got some seal issues here going. That doesn't feel damp. Okay. But you can tell there's been, I saw that before, but you don't know if it's old or new. So definitely thinking we're going to need to do some testing. It almost looks like, well, that would run down the wall. So I think it's around the slide, wherever it is. Because I didn't see any water damage underneath. I'll put this underneath the slide here. See if I can catch the underside area. Alright. Just going to kind of have a look around here. Kind of slowly. All right. Okay. Well, that answered the question. If we got any rain, heavy rain and stuff, did we get a leak? And yep, we leaked. So I don't know if it's the heavy rain or the heavy rain with wind, but we definitely got water in again. So I have to, I think we get it's nice weather. I'll take a garden hose to this thing and see if we can see where it sprays in at. Yeah, here's the, look at the outside again. Not sure where. I'm just looking around these seals here. He's looking close up. This is the side that's where the most of the water is. So I don't know if it's coming in under here or if it's coming in on the top. But I got the topper up there, so that should keep some of the water from coming in on the top. But well, it's definitely going to be a stumper, and I think until I get a garden hose and spray this thing and we watch what's going on, we won't know. So anyways, investigation's continuing. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.